All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom grills that we just had done for a customer. These are gold plated, over 9 to 5 sterling silver. And look at the definition on these guys. These are permanent cut grills. Okay, these are not singles. These are one piece, top piece and bottom piece, but they're cut. You see the lines in between each tooth there on the front, so it gives it that nice, the permanent cut. Okay, now you can get these right on our website, guys, blingcartel.com. These are handmade for a perfect fit. Check that out. Just look at that beautiful craftsmanship, guys. The lines in between each tooth, giving it that nice high definition perm cuts. All right, I'll show you the back side. So you can see the back side is not cut, solid. The front, that's where all the business is at. Check that out. All right, now these are available on our website, guys, blingcartel.com. Check it out. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.